Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Firstly, I would like to say a great big thank you to all those that viewed our last video, the one where we replaced the wall tapes in the Caravan. That seemed to hit a bit of a note with most people. Common problem, very common problem. We are grateful to all the new subscribers especially, and all our existing subscribers. A big thanks from the both of us. It really helps grow the channel. And one of the comments we had was from a lady, I can't remember her name, was, what's that hanging in your doorway? Well, let's take a look. And this is what it is. It's our door curtain. I think they're called a luxury chenille curtain, door curtain. We got this from Amazon, although I do believe other sellers have them. I think Toshiba is a stockist. Current prices are around about 25 quid, something like that, so it's not going to break the bank. It's worked well for us. I've hung it on a couple of hooks. You take it down, yeah, put it back up again. Not easy when you're holding the camera. Yeah, what are the benefits? Well, our little dog likes to go in and out quite often, followed by one of the Labradors. If we have the fly screen shut, the original fly screen there, they're not clever enough to notice that it's there, and they try to charge through it. With this, they come and go as they please. No damage is done. They come in 4 different colours, I think. We chose the grey and the green purely because we've got green decals on the Caravan. But yeah, it's nice. It affords a degree of privacy. The air moves through, and like I said, the dogs have freedom to come and go. So like I said, the positives are the dogs can come and go. It's very lightweight, it's low cost. You can take it down, you can put it away somewhere if you don't want to use it. What are the downsides? When you get it, it's too long, and you have to cut it to length, and herein lies a little issue. Because it's a nylon thing, you're supposed to cut to length and just melt the end. And get it in the camera. You're supposed to cut to length and just remelt the issue. The trouble with that is the central core is like a twisted string, a fine cord. If you don't melt the cord into the end, it still continues to fall apart. So what I've done is I've melted the end, and I've now put, you can't see it on here, but buried in there is a very small cable tie, so it nips the cord. At the minute it's holding together, but if it doesn't, hey ho, 25 quid, it's not the end of the world, is it? So that's what it is. Any other questions, please let me know. In the meantime, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.